Ba 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 ba.
90 seconds.
Flavored water. What's flavored water here, buddy? Enjoy that.
No cheating up. Nobody's throwing fries on the floor.
Remember, anything out of the bucket you have to eat. Great job.
This is going to be very interesting. In this round alone, we have winners from previous crab fry eating contests. Starting with the first time winner, Tiger Wings and Things, Barracuda, Notorious B.O.B.
3, 2, 1, go.
All right. Let's see what happens if they keep an eye on each other.
Yeah, they're going to give us like a little side eye.
All B.O.B. fans, here we are at the Chicky and Pete's crab fry eating contest. Dave, the guy all the way on the left, won the first year. I won the second year. We weren't allowed in the third year, so the fourth year they're allowing us back in. This is an interesting contest because there's 2 rounds. There's 5 people each round, and they only take the winner from each round to advance to the finals. So Dave and I drew the second round each, so that's a pretty tough one to go with. Obviously, probably this is the contest here to determine the overall winner. But with this contest, the food total doesn't carry over from round to round. So we could have eaten 10 buckets here to beat each other up on this round, only to then lose in the final round. So what we're doing here is Dave and I are actually looking to come in a tie in this round, because there's the rules, the way they state are, if you tie, then both the people move on to the final round. So we're eyeing each other up here, looking to eat exactly 2 cups or 2 pounds of crab fries to move on to the finals.
Just staring at me. Oh, wait a minute. I think they may be thinking they have a lead and they're just going to waltz into the finals in a tie.
Oh,
No
no way.
Seconds. Wow. They can cheat. Somebody can 49, 50, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Stop away. 3, 2, 1, go.
All right, this will be a little bit different. Tiger Wings and Things and the Notorious B.O.B. No more friendly championships here. Almost throwing the first.
So as you can see, Dave and I both made the final round, and we have another person down there. I think he was going by the Lunatic. Not sure. He won the first round. He's actually an amateur eater. I think this is his first eating contest. He ate roughly 1.5 pounds to make the finals. Dave and I each ate 2 pounds. So we're spotting him a half a pound for the finals, but that's just the way this contest works. These crab fries are seasoned fries for anyone who doesn't know them. They're really big in the Philadelphia area, famous at a place called Chickies and Pete's, which of course is hosting this contest. The seasoning does kind of add up on you as you're eating them, but it's not that bad. The fries were definitely warm this year, and I didn't have as many of the really hard ones. You get some small fries and they cut up your mouth. So luckily I didn't do that, because I was concerned. I was in an eating contest the next day. So this is taking place at about 7:30 at night in Philadelphia on a Friday night, and I'm in Davies, Florida, outside Fort Lauderdale, Florida on Saturday, in an eating contest at 2 o'clock the next day. So I was hoping to kind of conserve myself a little bit here and save my jaw and definitely not get my mouth cut up. And I was fortunate enough that I survived this without any injuries. The other neat thing about this crab fry event is part of the National French Fry Day at Chickies and Pete's, and they sell all these crab fries for only $1 a bucket. But they keep none of that money. All of that money goes to a charity for policemen that have been injured in the line of duty. So it's a really great charity. Of course, it's something good to contribute with. So I like taking parts in contests that have charity aspects to it, and this is one of them. As you can see here, we're working on the second bucket, and these things definitely don't go down fast. There's a lot of drinking involved, trying to wash them down, and they kept telling us to make sure the table's clean. So I had to keep going back there and clean it. There's the guy from the station again reminding to keep the stuff clean. So it's definitely a fair contest, and it's one is going to be really, really tight. I'm going to drop off now and just let you guys enjoy the rest of the contest, and we'll see who won the big prize. Thanks again for watching, and all of your support. Really appreciate it.
Approaching the final 30 seconds.
You two are going to be close. We're going to have to weigh.
How close are we, Rick?
I mean, like, they are neck and neck, neck and neck.
25, 24.
Tiger Wings and things might have the edge here.
20 seconds.
Tiger Wings and things might have the edge here.
17. 15 seconds to go.
We're getting down here to 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. Stop.
The winner by 0.3 ounces, the Notorious B.O.B.
B.O.B.
Ba 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 ba.